Today, we've got something really exciting to dive into the all-new 2025 Ram 1500 RHO. With the departure of the TRX, Ram is back with a new off-road beast that's ready to take on the dunes and the competition. But can the RHO fill the shoes of the TRX? Let's find out. Make sure to stick around for the full breakdown of performance, design, and all the tech goodies this truck has to offer. Let's jump in. RHO. Not a TRX replacement. So, with the TRX bowing out, you might be wondering if the RHO is its direct replacement. Not quite. The RHO comes in with a lower price point, less power, and no Hellcat V-8, but don't count it out just yet. It's got a lot going for it, from a more efficient engine to a redesigned suspension. It's also leading Ram's new sport truck lineup, sitting alongside models like the Rebel and Power Wagon. If we can look at the RHO as its own thing, we might be looking at Ram's best sport truck yet. What's new for 2025? Well, for starters, it's packing the high-output version of Stellantis Hurricane engine, a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six, pumping out 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque. Yeah, it's not the TRX's 702 horses, but 540 horsepower is nothing to sneeze at. This thing is built for off-road fun, and Ram says it can hit 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds and reach 100 miles per hour in just under 12 seconds. Plus, it's got some serious dune-jumping chops with a suspension lift that gives it 14 inches of rear axle travel, design that stands out. Now let's talk about the exterior, because Ram has made some bold design choices here. The RHO isn't going for that oversized, in-your-face grille like some of its competitors. Instead, the front has slimmer, more aggressive LED headlamps, but it still rocks that signature Ram badge, now bigger and positioned higher to give the illusion of a larger grille. The RHO is also 8 inches wider than the standard 1500, thanks to those composite fender flares and 35-inch all-terrain tires, interior tech and comfort. Inside, it's all about comfort and tech. Ram's really upped the game with 3 available screens, including a massive 14.5-inch infotainment display running the latest Uconnect system. There's even a screen for the passenger that mirrors your navigation or media. At 10.25 inches, the final screen sits in front of the passenger and features an HDMI plug for screen mirroring. Leather and suede upholstery come standard, and if you're looking for something extra luxurious, the RHO Equipment Group package throws and massaging front seats. Plus, there's a dual wireless phone charger, because let's be real, who doesn't need that these days? Towing and payload, still capable. Now, let's talk numbers. While the RHO doesn't tow quite as much as the standard 1500, it still hauls up to 8,380 pounds, which is more than enough to tow a boat or trailer for your weekend adventures. And it beats out competitors like the Ford F-150 Raptor R when it comes to payload capacity, clocking in at 1,520 pounds. So yeah, the RHO's still a heavy hitter in the towing game. The 1500 RHO is expected to get 15 mpg in the city and 21 mpg on the interstate, according to EPA estimations. Although those figures may not seem like much, they are a significant improvement over the V8-powered TRX's rating of just 10 mpg in the city and 14 mpg on the interstate. An easy-to-access high-capacity radial air filter and high-flow induction system have been installed on the RHO to enable rapid field cleaning. A new low-restriction exhaust system with real dual pipes that terminate in 5-inch tips is also included. Safety features. Ram provides basic driver aid features as standard on the RHO, while the optional RHO Equipment Group package and the Advanced Safety Group package include more sophisticated technologies such as an evasive steering assist feature and an intersection collision warning system. Pricing and release date. So, if all this sounds like your dream off-road truck, the 2025 Ram 1500 RHO will be hitting dealerships in fall 2024 with a starting price of $71,990, including destination fees. It's definitely not cheap, but for everything you're getting, it's set to be a solid competitor in the sport truck world. Plus, Ram's warranty matches the best in the segment, so you're covered. Alright, that's a wrap on the 2025 Ram 1500 RHO. It may not have the Hellcat V-8, but with its upgraded engine, off-road capability, and sleek design, this could be the sport truck to beat. What do you guys think? Can it fill the void left by the TRX? Let me know in the comments, and as always, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest and greatest in the truck world. Visit www.eve-riders.com for more auto update and review. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.